Alright guys, what's going on guys? Welcome to the channel. We're working with checking in. Right here is the 2021 Toyota CHR 2021. I'm going to show you guys how to take off this trim panel, the mirror, and the door handle. Let's get to work. Go ahead and get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Open the handle and take this black piece out of there, guys. It's like dying on me, man. Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Pry that piece of out of there. Pry that. That's what it looks like. Okay. Now this is a screw right there, guys. One. It's a number fillet. Okay, guys. It's a fillet. Go ahead and take it out. That's one. Go ahead and pry this piece up. Put the flathead right between the groove, just like that, and pry it out. See that? Just put it right in the groove and flick it up. It comes right out. Unplug the wires. Unplug these wires. Unplug them. Comes out. See? Comes out. Take those two screws out, guys. Those are fillets. Two of them. Take them out. Next thing I want you guys to do, you go flathead. Stick in the groove like that. And pry the trim panel away from the door. Just pry it open. Just like that. And you're gonna grab it, put your hand, pick it up. Go up with it. Comes right out. Take the cable loose. Guys, remember the green cable goes in the bottom. Do not mix them up, because if you mix these things up and close the door, you will have a hard time for opening the door. If you cannot remember, just go ahead and mark it. But the green one goes in the bottom. The green one goes in the bottom. Don't forget that. Okay, now that's how you take out the trim panel, okay? Comes right off. Now, let's take off this mirror. Okay guys, now let's take off the mirror. This piece right here, go ahead and snatch it off. Just like that. Snatch it off of there. This piece, right here, hold it like this, pry it up. Comes right off, take it off. This piece, take it off as well. Comes right out of there, take it out. Now, that's the harness. Unplug the wire. Push that white clip in, take it out. Now, one, two, three. The shiny one. Take them 3 screws out of there. Those are the number 10, guys. Number 10. Look at that, guys. Get yourself number 10 socket. Take it out of there. Okay? 1, 2. That's the last screw. You're gonna hold the mirror, then take the last screw out of there. Hold it, take it out. See that black clip right there? That is a safety clip. Push it down and pull the mirror out. Comes right out. Now, comes out. Go ahead and take a take. 1 second and look at yourself. Yeah. The boy's handsome. Yeah. Alright. Enough horsing around. Get back to work. Now, we're gonna take out the handle, okay? Talk to me, boss.
For whatever reason, the camera's not communicating from Nick.
Okay, guys, now it's time to take out the door handle, guys. You see that plug? Take that plug from there, guys. Take that plug from there. It's a screw inside there, guys. It's a star tip. That's a T30. So it looks like, guys. T30 star tip. Okay? T30. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. Take it out. Turn to the left. All the way. Okay, now, use the flat head. Put it right between the grooves. Right out. See? Comes right out. Alright? So hold the handle, pull it backwards. Alright guys, now it's time to take out the door handle. See this piece right here? I'm going to take this piece off. These clip, twist them, take them out. Twist, take it out. Twist, take them out. You do your clip puller and pry this piece off. Go ahead and slide out the door handle cable. Take it out. Now, there is a wire that's on the inside of here that we're gonna take loose. I will show you guys how to take it loose because that wire has to get taken loose first. So come take a look. All right, come take a look. Okay, you guys see this wire right there? Gotta get loose, guys. You're gonna use this flat head. You're gonna pry this end up, pry this end down, and right between the grooves right here, guys. You're gonna push this thing in and pull this wire out. It's hard for me to do it with the camera in my hand, but there's a white clip that is right there. You're gonna push this right here and push it in just like this. Push it in and squeeze it in and pull it out. Let me try to do it. Let me try. Squeeze it in. Very hard, guys. And squeeze it in. Pull it out. I can't do it with the camera in my hand, but that's how you loose it. Take this up. Take this one, put this one down. This one down. Then you're gonna squeeze right here in, and you're gonna pull this out at the same time. I'm trying, guys, okay? The camera's in my hand. Trying to show you guys how to do it. In and out. There we go. It comes out. Now we're gonna take the handle out. Basically, guys, see that white clip right here? That's the clip that we push in right there and pull it out. That's how you do that. And then guys, gonna take this black piece out of here. Take this out. And you guys see that screw right there? That's a T30 star tip. You're gonna turn it to the left and take it out. Alright guys, go ahead and get your star tip, T30. T30 star tip. Turn to the left, to the left. That's loose. Use the flathead screwdriver. Put it right between the groove and pry it out. See that? Comes right out. Go ahead, hold the handle, pull it backwards towards you. Just like that. Comes out. Do not lose these pieces, guys. Don't lose them. Okay, guys? Now, that's how you take it out. Comes right out. If you guys want to know how to open the door, this finger right here, you're going to feel the black hook. You're going to feel the hook. You can't miss it. You're going to feel it and you're going to pull the hook down. Put it down and door open. Put it down, door open. That's how you do that, alright? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to support the channel. Thank you. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next video, alright? Thank you.